Me say, me not even want to talk too loud. Me say me a one little friend. Me and her used to play Stucky, Shandy Dandy and then little something there. And from one morning she go to church and the pastor say, Darius, seems like you can be the deacon for the church. From pastor tell her that every time me see her, hear me now? So I asked Darius, can you give me some of something? Hear her now? What you talking about? You don't know the little thing, man. The little fish, eh? Yeah? My God. You want to hear her to me? Who? He's a child of God, and I don't do those things anymore. Hey, me I warn you. Them your people, yeah? I wouldn't take God for. Yeah? I wouldn't take God for. Frighten them, you know? Frighten them, but them don't know say God know them.